Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Project File Node Video, Easy Method. Open your project, find the Node panel, and import the project file into the Node timeline right away. Connect the file node to your main composition and preview playback to confirm links. If colors or transforms look off, adjust node order and blend modes until the output matches your intent, keeping changes minimal for predictable results. Let's walk through common node tasks that keep your project organized and efficient. Reordering nodes changes processing order without touching original clips, and merge nodes let you combine layers while keeping controls separate. Use transform nodes for position, scale, and rotation fixes, and preview after each change to avoid surprises. This method preserves non-destructive edits and helps you iterate quickly with clear, reversible steps. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more concise tutorials. Quick recommendation: there's a great book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it's a fun pick while you take creative breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy the read. Now let's get back to the video. When something goes wrong, a calm checklist saves time and frustration. Toggle node visibility to confirm each one is active, then bypass nodes individually to isolate the issue. If you find a problematic node, reset its settings or swap its input to see if the problem resolves. Keep a saved checkpoint before major changes so you can revert easily, and use previews often to catch mistakes early.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.